Good morning student, welcome back to the next video. In today's video, I am going to teach you lesson 19 and 20. Lesson 19 is about sports and games and lesson 20 is about quotable quotes. So, let's begin with sports and game. So, first question start with put a tick mark to show what each is connected with. So, first one Boris Baker, tennis. Git Sethi, billiards. Cassius Clay, boxing. Pragat Singh, hockey. Sania Mirza, tennis. Rudra Pratap Singh, cricket. Sania Nehwal, badminton. Baichung Bhutia, football. Jiden, football. Dola Banjare, archery. Justin Hanin, tennis. Wong Likin, table tennis. Now, next question. Write true or false next to each of the following. Wembley Stadium is associated with lawn tennis. False. Second one. Maradona is associated with football. True. Mike Tyson was called the chess hero. False. Tea is a term used in golf. True. Santosh Trophy is for the National Hockey Championship. False. Basketball team consists of 5 players. True. The national game of Scotland is football. False. Eighth one. The 1996 Olympics were held in Barcelona. False. Ninth. Option is used with horse racing. True. 10th. Green Park is in England. False. Next question. Give each country its national game by writing the correct letter in the box. India is famous for hockey. Scotland is famous for rugby. Japan is famous for jiu-jitsu. Canada is famous for ice hockey. Australia is famous for lawn tennis. Spain is famous for bullfighting. England is famous for cricket. USA is famous for baseball. Russia is famous for chess. Germany is famous for yachting. So, next question, fill in the blanks with correct answer from the box. The Los Angeles Olympics were held in 1984. Batons are used in relay race. Roger Federer, the great tennis star, hails from Switzerland. The first Asian Games was held in New Delhi. Fifth one, Soma Viswas specialized in hepatitis. Badminton is the fastest racket sports. Seventh one, checkmate is a term used in chess. Eighth one, the 2010 Asian Games were held in China. E. Put a tick mark for each correct answer. The first one, the first Olympics were held in Athens. Second, the Azra Cup is for polo. Grand Slam is a term used in bridge. Fourth one, Leslie Claudius was associated with hockey. Fifth one, Green Park is associated with cricket. Sixth one, the number of players in a water polo team is 7. Dilip Trophy is associated with hockey. 8th one, Maria Sharapova belongs to Russia. Ninth one, the Thomas Cup of Badminton in 2006 was won by China. Lesson 20, Quotable Quotes. The first one, given below are some famous quotation. Choose the correct name from the boxes and write it next to each. First one, slow and steady wins the race. Robert Lloyd. Second one, give me liberty or give me death. Patrick Henry. Third one, genius is 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration. Thomas Edison. Fourth one, the child is the father of the man. Wordsworth. Fifth one, et tu Brute. Shakespeare. Sixth one, better to reason in hell than to serve in heaven. Milton. Seventh one, whom the gods love die young. Byron. Eighth one, I have nothing to offer but blood, toil, tears and sweat. Churchill. Ninth one, if winters come, can spring be far behind? Shelley. 10th one, a thing of beauty is a joy forever. Keats. 11th one, God's heals and the doctor take the fee. Benjamin Franklin. Distance leads enchantment to the view. Thomas Campbell. A room without book is a body without a soul. Cicero. Scratch a lover and find a foe. Dorothy Parker. If the people have no bread, let them eat cake. Marie Antoinette. 16th one, I don't mind making joke, but I don't want to look like one. Marilyn Monroe. A friend is one who has same enemies as you have. Abraham Lincoln. 18th, action express priorities. Mahatma Gandhi. 19th, every little thing counts in a crisis. Jawaharlal Nehru. 20, a jug fills drop by drop. Buddha. Complete each proverbs by writing the correct letter in the box. Superstitious is the religion of feeble minds. Second one, a thing of beauty is a joy forever. Third, the child is the father of the man. Man is born free and is everywhere in chain. Sixth one, the evil that man do lives after them. Seventh, kindness begets kindness. Eighth one, no news is good news. Ninth one, what some invent, the rest enlarge. 10th one, speech is silver, silence is golden. C1, fill in the blanks with the words from the box. First one, the knowledge is power. Second one, change makes our parents' choice makes our friends. Third, Prelity, the name is woman. Fourth one, all the world's stage. Fifth one, our sweetest songs are those that tells of saddest thought. Sixth one, familiarity breeds contempt. Seventh, life is a tragedy for those who feel. Eighth one, better buy than borrow. Ninth one, ambition is like love, impatient both of delays and rivals. 10th one, courage is like love, it must have hope for nourishment. That's all, students. Children, you write this in your book also, GK book, and complete it.